Thinking about ordering from Grace Bags after seeing one of their ads? Hold up. Here's an honest review based on recent research and real customer experiences. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and public information as of 2025. So, what is Grace Bags? According to their official site, gracebags.com, if it's still live, the brand claims to offer premium handmade leather bags at affordable prices, often advertised as elegant, timeless, and sustainable. Sounds good on paper, but the real story, it's in the reviews. On Trustpilot, Grace Bags holds a 2.6-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, with a concerning 54% of reviewers giving it just 1 star. One user claimed the website has disappeared entirely and they had to go through their credit card company just to get a refund after the company refused delivery of a return. Others described the product as cheap plastic, not leather, and definitely not handmade. Despite the marketing, several people even labeled it a complete scam, warning others to steer clear. On the slightly more positive side, a few reviewers mentioned that the bags did arrive and lasted a few months, but even they said they wouldn't recommend it unless serious improvements were made. Grace bags look like a risky buy. While some customers got their orders, the overwhelming feedback points to poor quality, bad customer service, and refund issues. Based on the volume of 1 star reviews and disappearing website reports, this one feels more like a potential scam than a hidden gem. Have you had any experience with Grace bags? Let us know in the comments. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.